Come on now.
That's too much natural flavor.
What's wrong, dear?
A nightmare, Mom. A big fridge is sick and dying because of bad food.
Oh, honey. It was just a dream.
It felt real, Mama.
Sometimes dreams can feel real. Now, let's get you cleaned up. So the fridge in your dream was sick, you say?
Yes, Mama. Very sick. Will I get sick?
No, dear. We've made sure that you only have the best. None of those artificial flavors and thickeners.
Artificial?
Remember, sweetie, you are what you eat.
I are what I eat?
Yes, you are what you eat. And it looks like you're off to a great start.